Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Jackpot Candles. It's been a very long time since I ordered anything from them. I got an email from them saying if you spend a certain amount of money, you got a free candle. And when I went on there, it looks like they had a couple new items. And I think I also got like money off on top of that. It was a pretty good deal. So I got 4 candles, one of which was free, and then 2 bath bombs. I'm gonna take all these out. Okay, let's start with the bath bombs. So they put them in these little boxes, nicely packaged. They have the seashell one. That's cute. The deep blue. Why does it say 5 on there? Oh, I apparently did order a size 5. Interesting. I wonder if they were out of the other sizes. I ordered this a little while ago, so I don't actually remember the details about it. But that one's super cute. And then this one is a watermelon with a bite out of it. Ew, and I can smell it too. It definitely does smell like watermelon. How cute. So it's small when you look at it this way, but it is a pretty thick bath bomb. It's a size 7. That's adorable. Excited for that. And then we have a few candles. Oh my goodness. They're packaged so tight it's hard to open. I think they do have an affiliate program now, which is really awesome. So I'll put my link below. Not all companies have that, but it's nice when they will give you a little bit of a commission for talking about them. I always think that's really super cool. Interesting packaging. It's like kind of stuck to it. Watermelon sugar. So that was one I picked. I love watermelon. Ooh, that has a great watermelon smell. Very sweet. My goodness. Let's see what this one is. This might be the free one. Maui Mai Tai. I think that was the free one. So they've changed their jars a bit. Yep, that's nice. It smells really good. If you hear the kids yelling in the background, it's because they're currently taking a bath, and though they're way far away from me, boy, they are loud. Yeah, I've never seen wrapping like this. This is pretty neat. Caribbean Dream. I say that word interchangeably. Slightly masculine scented, but smells really good. And the last one. So this was a good deal. Got a free candle, got a discount, got free shipping. All things I love. One of the reasons I don't order from them too often, it's not for anything lacking in their products. They just don't have new stuff that often, especially for the bath bombs. This one's called Sunday Brunch. Ooh, that's a very nice one. Good fall scent. Smell like cinnamon and just like baked goods. Yummy. But yeah, a lot of their bath bombs they've had for forever. They don't really get in too much to like the seasonal bath bombs, so I was surprised when I saw this one, the watermelon one, so that's new. But yeah, I do like them. I do have reveals for them on my channel, and of course I have a playlist, so if you want to see those you can check that out. But I will be posting the reveals for these shortly. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.